Hey YouTube, what's up? And it's Cards Collect Canada back again, and today we're going to be opening up 100 sealed pack of OTS Tournament Pack 22. I think the ultimate rares in this one is Branded Fusion, Triple Tactics Thrust, and Pirelli. There's some pretty good super reprints, and some common ones like Summon Limit also. But yeah, we got 100 packs, so we gotta get started. So let's put these packs up here. Put the supers. Oh, the light. Okay, we'll put the supers here in the comments here, and then we'll do a recap at the end. Nimble Angler. Clear New World. I hope that the foiling on all the ultis is the exact same, and it's not different like the OTS pack 21 where the fin rears and all the other ones have like textures. Clear New World. Horns of Quilfant. Oh, Branded Fusion, there you go. This is so nice. This card looks really beautiful. I'll put the ulti right there. Branded Lost, that's a really good super reprint for the meta. Branded cards. Nimble Angler, Summon Limit, really good common. Uh-oh. This pack is getting a little difficult. Alright, there you go. Clear New World. Evo Diversity. So this is a sealed box with 100 packs. I just opened the box just so it's easier. Evo Diversity. Clear New World. Oh, there you go. Triple Tactics Thrust. This card looks really nice too. I remember the secret rares went down so much, and now they're back up. Perfect. Awesome. So we got 203 ultis. Still need one more, which is the Purely one. Honestly, I'd rather have just these two. I don't really like the Purely one because it's not really worth anything. I mean, it is still worth something, but Branded Fusion is used in a lot more decks. So Triple Tactical Thrust. It's a 3-0, so. Evo Diversity. Galaxy 100. Galaxy has one of the coolest looking artworks, but sadly they're not any good. Purely Happy Memory. It's a good reprint. Or is that a reprint? I'm not sure. Pretty sure it is. Baby Raccoon. That's a little late. Galaxy 100. Nimble Angler. Nimble Angler again. Runic Dispelling. Nimble Angler again. Okay. Runic Dispelling. Getting the same ones over and over again. Nimble Angler. Yeah, hopefully we can pull 4 to 5 ultis. Runic Dispelling. That's the goal. I don't want this video being too long. Runic Dispelling. Evo Diversity. Nimble Angler. It seems like we got like 30 Nimble Anglers. Galaxy 100. Seems like we're halfway there now. Evil Diversity. Clear New World. Evil Diversity again. Clear New World. Nimble Angler. Galaxy 100. And Pirelli. Nice. So we got all three alties. Nimble Angler. Galaxy 100. You move these into shot. There you go. The same pulls every time. There's not very many different cards in these packs, so it only comes with 3 cards per pack. Evil Diversity. Branded Loss. I wouldn't mind some more Branded Loss, honestly. Baby Raccoon. Horn of Crowfoot. Baby Raccoon. Evil Diversity. Clear New World. Another Evil Diversity, dang. Clear New World. Seems like they're printed pretty stacked, so like multiple super rares are printed at the same time and they're not very separated by the looks of it. Like, you notice how you're getting like 3 or 4 different supers at once. Red Lost. Truly Happy Memory. Red Lost again. We're down to the last 20 packs-ish. Galaxy 100. Trying to make this video as short as possible. Not trying to have 30 minutes worth of pack openings. Oh, there you go. Beautiful. Branded Fusion. Look at how beautiful that looks. It's 2 of those. Evil Diversity. Another Evil Diversity. Pretty Happy Memory. Branded Lost. Nimble Angler. Galaxy 100. Runic Dispelling. Nimble Angler again. And triple tactics thrust. Beautiful. Alright. Down to our last 12 packs or so. Evo diversity. Clear world. Another one. Can we pull one more ulti? It is possible. Baby raccoon. Another one. Horn of Clifford. Baby raccoon. Another one. And last pack. Can we get another ulti? Oh. And unfortunately not. So we did end up with 2 triple tactics thrust, 2 branded fusion, and a Pirelli. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. And like, comment, subscribe, and see you later.